Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, let's count number 11. Hi, I am number 11. I use 2 places. I have 2 ones. Now look at this picture. Count and say aloud. 11 rabbits. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 rabbits. Now let's have a little activity. Join all ones with ones to make 11. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.